Have you noticed it? The quiet shift. Climbing stairs feels heavier, lifting groceries feels harder. You're not sick, but you're not quite strong either. This is the silent whisper of aging, what doctors call sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss. And it begins earlier than most realize, sneaking in after 60 and slowly stealing your power. But what if your kitchen, not your pharmacy, held the key to stopping it? Because today, I'm revealing the top 5 fruits, backed by research and supported by doctors, that can help rebuild muscle naturally after 60. These aren't trendy superfoods or rare imports. They're accessible, nourishing gifts from nature, fruits your body recognizes, your taste buds enjoy, and your muscles will thank you for. Let's start at the root of healing, gently, wisely, and one fruit at a time. One, avocado, the muscle-soothing healer. You might not think of avocado as a fruit, but it is, and it's powerful. As we age, inflammation becomes the enemy, silently eroding muscle mass, slowing recovery, and leaving you feeling stiff. But avocado fights back. Its healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, have been shown to reduce inflammation, support hormone balance, and aid in rebuilding muscle fibers. Avocados are also rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals vital for muscle contraction, steady heart rhythms, and reducing cramps. And for seniors, that means fewer nighttime Charlie horses and a more confident walk during the day. Just half an avocado on whole grain toast or in a salad can quietly begin to reverse the damage years of inflammation have caused. It's not a loud fix, but it's a real one. And for your muscles, every creamy bite is a message. I'm rebuilding. Tart cherry, the nighttime restorer. Imagine a fruit so powerful. It helps you both recover faster and sleep deeper. That's tart cherry. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds known to reduce muscle soreness and oxidative stress, especially after physical activity. For seniors, this means better recovery from walks, gardening, or even climbing stairs. But the magic doesn't end there. Tart cherry juice naturally contains melatonin, the sleep hormone, and we know that deep sleep is when muscles repair and grow. A small glass of 100% tart cherry juice before bed can help your body slip into the deep rest it needs to regenerate. Less pain, better sleep, stronger mornings. That's what tart cherry delivers. 3. Pomegranate, the circulation booster. Next on the list. A fruit as beautiful as it is beneficial, the pomegranate. Often overlooked, pomegranate seeds and juice are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the hidden culprits behind weakness and muscle fatigue after 60. But what makes it truly remarkable is its ability to improve blood circulation. Why does that matter? Because blood carries oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Better circulation means more fuel for strength, more oxygen for stamina, and more nourishment to help tissues rebuild themselves naturally. Whether you sprinkle pomegranate seeds over your oatmeal or sip fresh juice, this vibrant fruit helps your muscles come alive again, not just working but thriving. The quiet muscle protector. You've heard prunes are good for digestion, but did you know they also protect your muscles and bones? Prunes contain polyphenols, powerful plant compounds that reduce muscle inflammation. They also offer boron, a trace mineral that supports testosterone and estrogen balance, both of which are critical for maintaining muscle mass after 60. But there's more. Prunes trigger the release of IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1, a hormone that signals your body to build and repair muscle tissue. It's like flipping a switch that had been quietly dimming over the years. Try 4 to 5 prunes in the morning or stir them into warm oats. They're sweet, satisfying, and silently powerful. Apples, the peel that powers you. The humble apple, something you've likely eaten hundreds of times, hides its greatest strength in the skin. Apple peels contain oxalic acid, a compound proven in studies to prevent muscle atrophy and even stimulate muscle growth. But that's not all. Apples also offer quercetin, an antioxidant that supports mitochondrial function, the energy engines inside your muscle cells. What does that mean for you? More energy, better endurance, and less fatigue. But remember, The power is in the peel. So don't peel that apple. Take a bite, chew slowly, and know that with each crunch, you're fueling the strength that once came so easily and still can. Now pause for a second. Imagine what could happen. Not overnight, not through radical change, but by adding just one of these fruits a day. Just one simple, natural gift from the earth eaten with intention. Over time, you might notice your walk becoming steadier, your grip firmer, your back straighter, the mirror reflecting not just age, but resilience. Because healing doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it shows up in quiet moments. A better night's sleep, a stronger morning rise, a walk that no longer feels like a climb. So if you're over 60 or love someone who is, don't accept weakness as your fate. Strength is not just for the young, it is for the wise. And you, my friend, have earned the wisdom. If this message touched something inside you, let us know by typing strength in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Wisdom for Success, because every week we bring you gentle, powerful ways to live longer, move better, and age with dignity and joy. Your body hasn't given up. It's waiting for you to feed it right. And now you know how.